Meaning of external.
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 External. The term external refers to things or factors that exist outside of a particular system, object, or organization. It can also refer to things that are visible or tangible, as opposed to internal or intangible. In essence, external elements are those that are not directly under the control of an entity or are not part of its immediate environment. The concept of external is essential for understanding the dynamics of many different systems and can be applied in various fields, including business, economics, politics, and more. Overall, the term external identifies elements that are external to a given subject or system.